Have you ever thought about combining beauty and functionality in your garden? Welcome to the world of ornamental edibles. These are plants that serve a dual purpose. They're pleasing to the eye and provide delicious produce. By growing ornamental edibles, you're not just saving space, you're also adding variety to your garden landscape and promoting sustainability. So why not create a garden that's both visually appealing and productive, ready to transform your garden into a feast for the eyes and the palate? You may be wondering, what kinds of plants can I grow? Well, the world of ornamental edibles is diverse and colorful. Take rainbow chard, for example. Its vibrant stems add a pop of color to any garden. And it's not just pretty, it's packed with nutrients too. It thrives in well-drained soil, full sun to partial shade, and needs regular watering. Then there's the humble strawberry, a perfect choice for ground cover. Its lush green leaves and bright red berries create a striking contrast. It prefers slightly acidic soil, full sun, and regular watering. Lastly, consider blueberries for shrubs. These plants not only produce delicious fruit, but also display stunning fall foliage. They need acidic soil, full sun, and consistent moisture. With these plants, your garden can be a source of beauty and nutrition. Imagine stepping into your garden, surrounded by colorful and delicious plants. It's quite the sight, isn't it? Ornamental edibles offer the best of both worlds, beauty and functionality, creating an enchanting space that is not only visually appealing, but also provides fresh homegrown produce right at your doorstep. The beauty of this concept is its versatility. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a small balcony, you can cultivate ornamental edibles to create your own little paradise. It's time to rethink gardening, to blend aesthetics with utility, and to start your journey towards a garden that's both beautiful and bountiful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Let your garden be both beautiful and bountiful.